Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. And I am so glad that all of you tuned in to this video. In today's video, I will be giving you a DIY cocoa bar and coffee bar. Last year, this was one of my #1 videos, one of my highest view videos for the Christmas season. So I'm giving you my new 2020 version of my DIY coffee and cocoa bar. So sit back and enjoy this quick and easy DIY coffee and cocoa bar. All right, let's hop right into it. As you can see, I've already got my photo up. It took me a little while to get it positioned just right, but it's up and I love it. Please check out that DIY video on how I created this beautiful winter cocoa wall art. Okay, everybody, I'm just sprucing everything up, making sure everything is tidy and clean before I put all my decorations down. If you're new here, I am Tae of Uneatly Tae. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's episode. I truly appreciate it. And to all my new subscribers and to my old subscribers, thank you so much for all of your love and support. If you like DIYs, home decor, tablescapes, shopping videos, and much more, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I have my hot cocoa cup that I DIY'd myself. I got this idea from Bargain Bethany. It was so cute how she put everything together, so I decided to make one for my hot cocoa bar. Walmart has the cutest items for your coffee bars and cocoa bars. I bought this particular container from Walmart, and I love Swiss Miss hot chocolate. I bought the ones with the mini marshmallows, and I also bought the ones without marshmallows. I love Swiss Miss, and my kids do also. I fell in love with this cookie house when I purchased it from the Target dollar spot. I wish I would have checked the bottom because it's a little scratched up, but I still love it. And I also found out that they have the gingerbread man cookies that you can buy from your grocery store. My kids love gingerbread cookies, and I love the fact that they're individually wrapped also. I love how this coffee area turned out. It looks so cozy and warm. I like the fact that I have all my white with my pop of red and green, and it looks so adorable. I love the whole aspect and the whole theme of this coffee bar. If you have never tried a coffee cocoa bar, please do so. It turns up this time of the year, and I love the fact that I do one yearly. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.